Why should start learning English today? Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something that can change your future, and that thing is learning English. Let me ask you a simple question. Do you want a better job? Do you want to study in a good college? Do you want to travel to different countries? Or do you want to use the internet without limits? If your answer is yes, then English can help you. Many people think my English is weak, I will learn later. But let me ask you another question. When will later come? If not today, then when? If not you, then who? The world is changing very fast. Every year, new technology is coming artificial intelligence, computers, business, science, and education. They are growing quickly. Most of this knowledge is available in English first. If you cannot understand English, you may miss many opportunities. Think about it. When you open YouTube, how many useful videos are in English language? When you search on Google, how much information is in English language? When you apply for a good job, what language is often required? When you use a computer or mobile phone, what language do you see the most? And the answer is English language. Learning English does not mean you should forget your mother tongue, mother language. Love your own language, respect your culture, but also learn English because it is a tool that opens new doors. Imagine two people with the same talent. One can speak English, the other cannot. Who will have more chances in international companies? Who can communicate with people from different countries? Who can learn from the best teachers around the world? In many cases, the person who knows English will have more opportunities. Now, let me ask you something. How many hours do you spend on social media every day? 1 hour? 2 hours? What if you spend just 30 minutes every day learning English? In 1 year, your life could be very different. So don't say, I am too old. Don't say, I am afraid of making mistakes. Every person who speaks English today was once a beginner. Children make mistakes. Students make mistakes. Even teachers make mistakes. Mistakes are not the enemy. Giving up is the enemy. The future will belong to the people who keep learning English. Is becoming more important in education, business, technology, healthcare, tourism, and online work. Companies are working with people from different countries. Many interviews are conducted in English language. Many online courses are taught in English language. If we ignore this language today, we may regret it tomorrow. So I have a humble appeal to everyone. Please don't wait for the perfect time. Start today. Learn 5 new words every day. Read one small paragraph every day. Listen to English every day. Speak English every day, even if it is only for 5 minutes. Remember, small steps every day create big success in the future. So believe in yourself. Your English does not have to be perfect, it only has to improve one day at a time. The best day to start was yesterday. The next best day is today. Thank you.